Hello, I am back in 4K, and I'm only using my ring light and this little light back here, which probably isn't the best to backlight myself, but we're gonna do it anyways. And obviously by the title of this video, I was a little naughty. So since the new iPhones came out, as they do every year, I have had the strongest desire to just get it, but I've been holding off. One, 'cause I didn't know which one I wanted, and two, I didn't know if it was really worth it. I have been watching many reviews, I have been staring at this thing online for literal hours sometimes, and I just said screw it. Yesterday. It's now today. I finally have it. So I ordered this yesterday, and it wasn't ready magically for pickup until this morning when they were closed. Here we are. So my current phone is just the iPhone 11. I have it in purple. I don't know how you'll be able to see it because of the camera, but you know, I love the thing. I love purple. It's my favorite color, but I have run out of space on this, and there's no purple on just the iPhone 12. So we went big. So I got the lovely iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Pacific Blue. So I did get a bigger size as well in terms of storage. I did get the 256 because this is the 128 and I'm literally out of storage. I have like 3 gigs available. So I have a lot of music and stuff on here, which I know you could use like the cloud, but I don't like to because in case I have internet issues, I want to be able to access my music, which just happens sometimes when I'm driving, so you know. Is this even like straight? I can't even tell. I think this is like crooked a little. Hold on guys, I'm so sorry. Like I'm trying to do new angles now that I have a far better camera, and yeah. I can now I'm like overexposed. I'm looking at like, so I bought this selfie mirror because I have an A7S III. Ooh, I wish. I have an A7 III, so of course there's no flip out screen, there's just the flip halfway up screen. But like I put my hand out, I can see I'm overexposed, so that's gonna be fun, but we work with what we got. Okay, I spent 3 hours yesterday before I said screw it, and then I said screw it and I checked out, and because I have Verizon, once you check out, if you don't want it, you gotta pay $50. So here we are. I owe absolutely nothing on this phone, so this is not putting me in debt or going on a payment plan. Like, this phone is paid off. I have money set aside. No, it's not the stimulus money. Do not ask. I'm gonna sell this phone, which is gonna pay for part of this, and then I have the extra already set aside. So, like, I'm fine. Oh. Okay. Okay. Whew. I'm like, I didn't check the box before I left to make sure it's the right size. So then I realized the small size they didn't have in stock anyways. All right. Let's peel this up. I'm not an ASMR channel, but like, girl. All right, so I've watched many unboxings, but I didn't notice how metallic-y that is on the side. Like, you can really see it. Okay. I haven't seen this color in person yet. I've only seen the gray. So there it is. Look how shiny that is in the ring light. Like, girl, shiny. So I am sad that there's no more like plastic, but I mean, I understand the reasoning. We didn't really need more plastic on the inside. But there's at least still some static paper that we can still satisfying. Oh, this is so big in my hand. Woo. I mean, look at the size difference though. It's not massive, but like, you can see a difference there. So obviously, this year they did get rid of the charger, so no charger. Not that I even use them. I haven't used the brick charger in probably since the iPhone 8? Yeah, that's when the wireless charging happened. So iPhone 8. I haven't used Brick since then. I mean, it is nice to have the USB-C cable because my Fully desk actually does have USB-C ports for charging, so awesome. So I can just leave that plugged in there if I need to. Oh, I can't just like go back in there. Love it. Like, I want to put the cable back in the box, but the cable doesn't want to go back in the box. Alright. It's like, just the wire doesn't want to. Come on, just. There we go. Alright. Most important thing, which I'm so sad about. You only get 1 Apple sticker now. Look at that. Just 1. I'm so upset by that. 1 less Apple sticker a year to add to my collection. I have literally 16 years of Apple stickers at this point, because my first Apple product was 16 years ago. I got an iPod, I think the 3rd generation. Was that 16 years ago? Whenever the 3rd generation iPod came out, like the iPod Classic, whenever that came out, that's my first Apple product I ever had. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Like, girl. Whew. All right. Now I'm gonna do the thing that I think most people really hate, is I'm gonna put a case on it because I don't trust myself. So with my 11, I have a clear case, as you can see. I can get this to focus because obviously focusing is different. There we go. It's a clear case, you can just see the color. I didn't want to get a clear case this time because I did want something to make use of like a magnet back. So there was Apple's choice, or Apple's own design, which is fine, but I didn't feel like spending that money because it's $50. There's also MagBack, I think it's called, which is what I was gonna do, but I didn't feel like waiting in the mail since I was getting it in the moment. So I went to Target and got some really random brand I've never heard of before. Can I get the name to show up? Probably not. There we go. Oop. I think you can kind of see it. There we go. It's like Evutech or whatever. So this is the same thing. It has magnets in the back of the case, and then this comes with a car mount, which is nice. That's included because this was $40. And I know it's not like Apple quality. Okay. So here's the case. It's actually really thin. So do the vlogger beauty for you. Simple black. All right. Oh, it's really soft. You can see where the magnets are actually. If I can get this to focus. Those little grooves, it looks like where the magnets actually are. Here's the little back piece. Oh, that's heavy. It's got some weight to it. All right, so instructions say to just pop it in and slide up, and that's it. Oh, okay. It's also like a desk stand, I guess, which kind of sits. Is that one of the extra features, or I'm just making that myself? No, desk fan. Okay, cool beans. Alright. So make sure that's all clear. So it's nice microfiber inside, so that's good. And let's go ahead and just pop you in. Oh, that really, wow, that is like, oh my god. Dust is real. Okay. Like the dust is just already there. Okay. Wow, that is thin though. Holy cow. Like it's, oh my god, the dust. That's probably like sitting from inside the case. I'll wipe my screen down later, but ooh. Wow, that is thin. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. So the cameras do have a bump. I can get this to like focus. But it's like an actual lip opposed to, like this one has it too, but it's not quite as prominent. This one's like, you got a lip. But this, wow, this is thin. Like, it's thin. I'm trying to see if you can see it. I'm sorry, not the greatest, but like you can see it's like right up against that. There is a lip over the screen though, so if I put it face down, not gonna touch it. I do like you can see the blue looks really nice with the black though. Like in all honesty, that blue looks really nice. Wow. Okay, let's turn this baby on for the first time. So the thing I usually do is I do back up my phone. I do a computer backup just because I don't trust the cloud in terms of making sure things download correctly or save correctly, and then if I don't have internet, it's a whole mess. So usually I do that. I will like pre-set up the phone to make sure it's at the same operating system. I'm on 14.3. This is very unlikely to be 14.3 at this point. So let's do a quick little setup. Oh, while this is setting up, because it takes my Wi-Fi, let's just... Oh, yes, there's some... Oh, okay, so it has a set place, those four, so... Like, nervous. Don't want to break the screen. I can feel it, like, yanking at the phone to pull it back up. Okay, oh. So this will move more likely on its own, but... Oh, okay, okay. That's fine. So can I update my phone? Because I know this is not up to date. No, this is not. It's on 14.1. Okay, download and install. So while that is its own thing, I'm gonna go ahead. That worked really well. I appreciate that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and update my new phone. I'm going to back up my old phone because I need a new backup because I updated last night and then I backed up before the update. So, you know, so we're gonna do that. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.